This is my longboat. Well, one of them anyway.
How many did you have?
A lot.
Is it called a longboat because it's so long?
Yes, we needed to fit as many men as possible to row the boat across the seas. Climb on board, everyone. When the wind was up and far-off lands were calling, I would set sail with 60 men on board and many more boats behind me. And off we go!
And where were you going?
To discover new lands and find treasure like this.
Whoa! Did you have a map and a compass?
No, Vikings didn't need navigational equipment. On most days, we just headed west.
But what if you got lost?
Well, we didn't. Vikings know their way around the seas. But the journey was rough, and sometimes there were great storms.
Did the Vikings have raincoats?
No, they didn't feel the cold or the wet. They were tough. And sometimes it would take up to 6 days to reach new land.
6 days?
Yes, through thunder and lightning and terrible winds. I must change the setting for that fan.
It must have been scary.
Oh, not to the Vikings. In fact, when we got home, we made up stories to make our journey sound even more exciting. Like meeting giants.
I'd love to meet a giant.
You might be in luck. Stop the boat! There's a giant in our path!
Oh no! What are we going to do? Maybe he's hungry. I've got a cheese sandwich in my bag.
That probably won't be enough. I'll try talking to him first. I am King Olaf the Viking. Let my boat pass.
No, you shall not pass.
He's not moving, King Olaf.
Yes, well, giants can be rather stubborn at times.
What does he want?
My boat! And failing that, some treasure should do it. What do you think? Worth a try?
Yes! Give him the coin!
Oh, nice shot, King Olaf.
Land ahoy, King Olaf!
Land ahoy, indeed!
Mya Go every day. Mya Go, laugh and play. Mya Go, what do we say? Mya Go, Viking!